So bromeliads is another large group of flowering houseplants, which are very easy to grow. And the best part is they flower for a very extended long period of time, because these bracts that they have, the colored part of these flowers, last for an incredibly long time, 3 to 4 months, depending on care. So good, bright, indirect light should be watered in their vase in the middle here with distilled or rainwater to stop from mineral buildup. And the pot itself should be kept evenly moist at all times. And as they continue to grow, these flowers will fade. And at that point, you'll start to send up new growth from the base. And then at that point, you would pot up. They should be regularly fed because they are a flowering houseplant with a regular, like a high middle number flowering indoor houseplant fertilizer with a high middle number once a month during the highest light time of year to promote as much flowering as possible. But other than that, very rewarding, long flowered, gives really great color for inside the house, especially in the dead of winter when it's so dull outside, but a really great, easy to grow flowering houseplant.